Good evening now. We begin tonight with some new developments in the Alex Murdaugh case. A date has now been set for the convicted double murderer to argue why he deserves a new trial. News 19's Shelley Garzone has the details.
I sentence you to prison for the rest of your natural life.
Alex Murdaugh is currently serving a life sentence for killing his wife and son in 2021 and has also been sentenced to 27 years on financial charges. But issues involving his murder trial will put him back in court this upcoming January in a hearing presided by former South Carolina Chief Justice Jean Toll. Murdaugh's legal team filed a motion for a new trial, claiming Colleton County Clerk of Court Rebecca Hill tampered with the jury during his murder trial.
The appearance of impropriety is not going to be enough.
Sarah Ford is an attorney and was able to provide insight on what the future of this case might look like.
If they can show that, there were improper communications, that people were influenced by the clerk of court, that things were said that obviously should not have been said, and that caused people to vote in a certain way, then I do think a new trial would be granted.
Included in the motion were statements from two jurors who claimed Hill tried to influence their decision. SLED was investigating those claims, but so far has not released any of their findings. According to Ford, this is not something you see every day in a courtroom.
For there to be a post-trial evidentiary hearing, this doesn't happen very often. My understanding is there will be at least 3 days of testimony that the defense will be bringing forth some folks to testify. There were a number of affidavits that they filed as part of their request for a new trial. And so, Justice Toll will be hearing from them. We'll be hearing from the state.
The clerk of court was recently accused of plagiarizing parts of her book written about the trial, with her attorneys stating that it was a lapse of judgment on her part.
Certainly all of the drama that's gone on recently, including these allegations of plagiarism, and really Becky Hill admitting to plagiarizing, that really goes to her credibility. So whether something happened or it didn't, it certainly doesn't look good.
Reporting in Columbia, Shelley Garzone, News 19, WLTX.
And the hearing to consider a new trial takes place January 29th here in Columbia.